ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and valued customers. It's my pleasure to welcome all you guys here today to the grand opening of our new AA Auto Center. Today marks a significant milestone in our journey to provide exceptional service and support to our customers. As you can see, we have a state-of-the-art facility with all the latest diagnostic equipment, and our facility is a testament to our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction.
I know you've been running this for a couple of years now. Hopefully with the slight rebranding, it can go to the next level. And hopefully with the Right to Repair campaign, we start seeing the benefits for independent workshops like Mervyn's that will start flourishing and not just have everything go to the OEM dealerships and the like. So good luck and welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Thanks, Mervyn.